Hello everyone, this is Tamela and I want to welcome you back again to another exciting episode of Designing with Tamela Bowie Interiors. So now in this video today I'm going to show you how my team and I transformed a 1978 outdated master bathroom into a modern day hotel spa-like master bathroom for my design client. So now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Hey guys, happy Saturday, and look what I'm doing this weekend. Well, actually I'm not doing it, but my contractor is. We are working on a master bathroom gut and remodel. We're getting ready to tile in this shower. We're going to get a beautiful tile on the ground, and we're going to get that little area dressed over there. We're also going to have this arch taken out, so that way it will reveal this shower more. But anyway, this is just a quick sneak peek of what's going on in this master bathroom gut and remodel. See, all this is coming up. New tile on the floor, new vanity, and new lighting, new everything. And also new lighting up there as well. So this is what I'm doing on a Saturday morning. Happy Friday morning, Instagram. I am up bright and early because the toweling is going to happen this Saturday, and I want to make sure that everything is going to turn out perfect for this client master bathroom project I'm working on. So this is going to be the white marble pebbles that we are putting on the shower floor, and then I'm also going to do an accent with that as well, and we're going with this white beveled subway tile. Now the grout that I've chosen for this is going to be bright white, but I think I'm going to look at some other options as well. So I have my little trusty custom grout sample kit right there, just to make sure I'm choosing the best selection, which I know I will. But anyways, I cannot wait to share the final reveal of this client's master bathroom project. Okay, so right now I'm sitting at the front entrance of this master bathroom, and my client wanted for her vanity set to look more like a piece of furniture. So we found this vanity set. Now it's not your typical height for a vanity. It's actually a little bit taller, but that's what she wanted. She wanted it to look like furniture, so we delivered that to her. Now I absolutely love the marble that's on top of this vanity, and also with the undermount sink, really gives it more of a modern look and feel. We wanted to stay very neutral with the bathroom fixtures, so we went with this polished satin on all the bathroom fixtures. Now this home was built in 1978, so I wanted to try to keep something of a nostalgic feel to this master bathroom. So this is the original mirror to this bathroom. Now behind the mirror is a medicine cabinet, so I just had the mirror removed. I had it spray painted in this beautiful chrome color just to play off of the polished nickel fixtures that's in this space, and also to really enhance all of the architectural detailing that you see on this mirror. And I think it really looks good with the modern lighting that we went with. We removed the outdated light fixture that was here, and we replaced it with this beautiful polished nickel 3-tier light vanity set that plays real nicely against the chrome that's in the mirror. And I love the juxtaposition with the modern vanity lighting along with the traditional feel of this mirror. Now if I had to choose my favorite part of this master bathroom, it would be the shower area. If you remember in the before picture, there was an arch that encumbered this space, so I had the arch removed, which actually exposed all this extra space up here. So we took the subway tile and this white pebble marble and we placed it up on the wall. We also added in this can lighting right in the shower stall area, so that way my client is not showering in the dark. And we also did an accent down the middle part of the shower with this white marble pebble, and we even put it onto the shower floor. So this feels absolutely amazing on my client's feet when she is in the shower. And the last thing I want to talk about is this beautiful, beautiful marble floor. I love the fact that I had it laid on a running bond. This is 12 by 24 tile. And I decided to go with a grout color that matches more closely to the tile because I wanted the floor to look like it was one continuous slab of flooring. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the makeover of my client's master bathroom remodel. And if you did, I would love for you to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you've not had the opportunity to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification button so that way you'll get notified every time I upload a new design and decorating video. So once again, thanks for watching Designing with Tamela Bowie Interiors, designing for how you really live in your home. Bye for now.